Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video. Today I watch you some colorful fish. This is very exciting moment. You will be pleased at this moment and enjoy so much. So let's get started. There are some colorful fish are playing in a pond. I want to catch them. Wow, looking good. Mashallah, looking good. Fantastic fish are here. Oh, this is wonderful fish. I want to catch them. Beautiful fish, playing well. Excellent. Enjoy this video. Oh, I want to catch. This is one. Excellent. Oh, he's some. Even big some. Oh, yet I will catch a wonderful fish. Then, oh, this is green color. Looking good. Mashallah. I catch it. Oh, another. Oh, yet the tie go from here. Oh, yet excellent. Oh, yet it's marvelous fish, golden color fish. Oh, yet there are two, looking good. Mashallah. They're excellent. Oh, there another one. I caught it. This is looking good. Mashallah. Excellent fish. I caught it. And there is giant four. There is a little one. This white color. This is so clever. The better than another. Oh, it is a white color. This is looking good. Mashallah. Excellent. There are some fish are playing. Now I want to catch. Whoa, they're running fast. I cannot catch it. I try best. You must be want to catch it. Oh, yet looking good. Mashallah. Here, see you next video. Allah Tata, bye.